Hi, Wee Wednesday friends. It's Miss Nancy from the Kansas Children's Discovery Center. Discovery at Home. So we have these things, and of course my grapefruit, and we have a can of shaving cream. Now, getting it out of the shaving cream might be our first problem because we have to use force. Now, I have to pull against gravity and pull up to pop the lid off, and then I have to push down on the lid for it to come spraying out the nozzle. Isn't science great? All right, here comes the force part. Hey, I can build the tallest tower with my grapefruit. What I'm really trying to do is cover everything up. And I can play a search and rescue game, or I can play what's missing. I could play a memory game. How many red things can I find? Can I find a match? Just really kind of depends on what kind of a day you're having and what game you want to play. I'm kind of into the sensory play, the messy, gooey part. Where do I begin? I guess I better cover up my grapefruit because I can still tell it's a grapefruit. What do you think it is? Any guesses? I'll hold it really close so you can see it better. Can you tell what it is? It's my seashell. Yeah, the one I got at the ocean. Don't give up. There's more. Shaving cream is always fun, and there are so many things to do with it. Get involved. Pull your sleeves up. You can't get that messy. Head to the bathtub if it's a problem. But play. Play, and when you're finished playing, play some more. This is Miss Nancy with Discovery at Home.